Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're ready, gather prerequisites and begin now. Make sure your phone runs Android 11 or newer and install Google Wallpapers plus the Pixel Themes app from the Play Store. Once done, verify Play Services is up to date. This prevents theme conflicts. Enable developer options only if a theme asks for it and set a secure lock screen. Some Pixel features require it. Now tap the Pixel Themes app and continue to the next steps to apply a true Pixel look. Open the Pixel Themes app and go straight to the Pixel category. This groups authentic styles. Choose a wallpaper that sets the palette, then pick icons, accents, and dynamic color options. These control your UI surfaces and quick settings. Preview each choice. This avoids redoing steps. Make sure to apply wallpaper first because colors cascade from it. If permissions appear, grant them so the theme can change system accents. Once applied, check home screen and quick setting. Finish by rebooting. Many system-level changes finalize only after a restart. After the reboot, inspect the lock screen, quick settings, and app drawer to confirm the Pixel look. If colors or icons look mismatched, clear the launcher cache, then reapply the theme. This often resolves layering issues. If problems persist, remove any third-party launcher or undo recent icon packs and reset theme defaults. One key tip: always reboot before deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.